Welcome back to my channel. So in this tutorial, we will be using the Canva Magic Edit feature to change the hairstyle of a woman from one hairstyle to another. So that's what we'll be doing in this tutorial. It's a very brief tutorial. So let's get on to it. First of all, we have to go to Element to get our picture, or you can upload any picture you want to use for this test. So I'll go to Element to get my picture. This one. The keywords are attractive young black woman smiling. Alright, so I think I got the picture twice, so let me delete one. Okay. I'll go to edit photo. With the picture selected, go to edit photo. Click on Magic Edit. I'll increase the brush size so I can brush over the area I want the hair. I'll continue. Then I'll now tell AI the kind of hair that I want. Okay, let me use blonde hair and see. If I don't like it, I will not change to something different, but blonde hair. And let's see what it gives us. I think I love this. So this is the first one. This is what the second one looks like. The third one, I don't like this third one. This is also good. So, but I think I'll go with the first one. So this is how to use the Magic Edit to change the hair. What you cannot use Magic Edit for, you can use Magic Edit to edit faces, hands, or legs. Canva wrote it here. Editing faces, hands, or legs isn't intended for Magic Edit. So this is it. I think I love this. So this is how to use the Magic Edit. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next tutorial. Bye.